Hey guys, let's make a crispy binagoongan today with some steamed eggplants along with the mango salad that goes right on top of the crispy binagoongan. Alright, let's go ahead and work on our mango salad here. We'll have to slice our onion, some tomatoes, mangoes, and cilantro. And that's basically what we're combining in the mango salad. So we'll add a little bit of black pepper in our mango salad. Like I said, we don't need to really salt it because the bagoong is already salty the way it is. So this is what our mango salad looks like. Let's give it a little mix. Then this goes right on top of the crispy binagoongan later after we deep fry it. Alright, let's saute our bagoong here. I've already preheated our pan. This is just garlic and ginger that I'm sauteing. We'll put them in at the same time. Let's add a little bit of annatto powder. Let's add our bagoong. Now we'll add sugar. We'll add about a cup of sugar. We'll let this boil for 5 minutes. It doesn't take long because this has already been sauteed. We're just adjusting the taste of it, making it a little bit sweeter. Let's give it a taste just to see if we need to make it any sweeter. But I think it should be good. It's perfect. So now we'll just let this boil for a couple more minutes, then the bagoong part is done. Alright, let's heat up our oil here. We're gonna be deep frying our pork for the crispy binagoongan. So when I make this, when I deep fry the meat for the crispy binagoongan, I like to double fry my meat. So the first time it goes in the oil, I like to fry it for about 4 or 5 minutes at around 320 degrees. And then I would take it out of the hot oil, just let it rest for a few minutes. You know, give it maybe 10-15 minutes to rest. And then I put it back in the oil at 380 degrees for about 2-3 minutes. So I do it this way so that our pork for the crispy binagoongan is extra crispy. Alright, so let's get our pork ready for crispy binagoongan. All we have to do to our pork is add even amount of cornstarch and flour. About 1/3 of a cup of cornstarch, the same amount of flour. And then we will add some black pepper. We don't need to add any salt to this because our bagoong is already salty. So all the flavor is gonna come from the bagoong that we sauteed earlier. Alright, so our oil is now ready. It's at 320 degrees. So now we'll fry our pork. In the meantime, while we are frying our pork, I will also fill our pot so we can steam our eggplants. Let's bring our water to a boil, and then we'll add our eggplants to the steamer. Alright, so let's go ahead take out our pork here. These have been frying for a good 5 minutes. We'll let these cool down, and then they're gonna go back to the oil again for the second time in about 10-15 minutes once they cool down. Alright, so our pork here is going in for the second time. This will only take a few minutes, maybe 3 minutes, 4 minutes max. Our oil is about 380 degrees right now. Alright, so now we're done frying our pork here. Now let's go ahead and add some of this bagoong that we sauteed earlier. Just mix it up a little bit. We'll grab one of our eggplants that we steamed. Grab a knife. Maybe we'll grab 2 eggplants. So these eggplants are a little small. Cut it open right in the middle. These are pretty hot. They just finished steaming. Alright, let's throw in our crispy binagoongan here, right on top of our eggplant. We'll add some of the mango salad that we fixed earlier. Voila! Table number 20, your order's up! Alright guys, just finished cooking the crispy binagoongan here. Let's go ahead and give our crispy binagoongan a try.
Yeah.
Go for it, babe.
Go for it.
Do the honor.
Oh my goodness. Alright, this is huge. I don't even know how to start. How about you help me?
Yeah. Use the knife.
I got this. I want a little bit of the...
Just take it. Put it on the plate.
I don't... I don't eat it the way you do, but... Okay, alright. Right there. I'll put it back. And then...
Can I borrow the knife?
Yeah, hold on.
Oh, sorry.
I don't want to touch it. Alright. Perfect. I knew he was cooking this, so I was looking forward to coming home to this. Yum. So, oh my goodness. Alright. It's amazing. Amazing, amazing, amazing. I haven't tried it yet, but I just know it's going to be amazing.
My brother in Australia has been requesting for me to make this because he watches a lot of our videos. So, Kuya, this is for you.
Kaya ini. Koy. First bite. Oops.
Huge bite. Oh my goodness.
Here. Cheers. Yum.
The perfect bite. Oh yeah. Oh my god. What's it missing?
Nothing. It's been so long since we've had this.
I haven't made this in a while.
Years.
Maybe 3 years, or so.
More.
It's been a long time.
Oh my god, it's so good. This is perfect. And that spice, that chili is it kicks. The mango, the tomato, the cilantro, yum. Oh, and the pork too, and the shrimp paste, the bagoong, yum. It's so good.
So good.
Nice. It's just a different way of eating binagoongan. There are different ways that Filipinos make binagoongan. But this is how we like it. We like the other ones too, but I guess because this one, the pork is crispy, so it gives us that texture, and it's not just with the shrimp paste, and it also has the salad too. So it's and the eggplant, the salad and the eggplant. Oh my goodness, we're done. One more.
No, we're not done. Look at this. We have so much.
I mean, for the first bite. You all should try this recipe. It's so good. And I want more of the cilantro salad.
The mango salad.
Mango, cilantro, tomato, and everything. Woo!
That pepper's hot.
Yeah, that pepper's hot.
My mouth is on fire.
Oh, one more.
So it tastes okay?
Oh my god, it's so good. Kuya, oh, manyaman. Kenny, man.
Alright guys. One last bite for you guys. The perfect bite.
You get water. It's so spicy.
The perfect bite.
Spicy.
So good.
So good.
Thank you all for watching our videos, okay? We'll see you again on the next one.
Well, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.